Here we are again. A last interview, I think, to Mr. Kenneth Loberas, um, one of the article writer here in Office Escape. At the same time, a call center agent. Good morning, Mr. Kenneth.
Hi, good morning.
Can I have a short interview with you?
Sure.
Um, the first question I'm gonna ask is that we know that you are an article writer, right?
Alright, yes.
You love writings, or this is your passion, I mean inborn talent, or you do it just for money or for fun or for what purposes?
Well, I think I can say that it is part of my passion because way back to my school days, I used to be a writer in high school and in college and in our student publication in high school and in college. So I think I can conclude that it's my hobby because it's my passion. And hobby as well because during my vacant time, I used to write anything, write and write, even though it is sometimes senseless. But
So, who motivate you? I mean, your inspiration to write some articles and yun nga, kasi may nalaman kami,
Na?
my source, according to my
Sino yung
source,
na yan?
according to source.com, I have my own source, so secret lang natin, yung secret hindi
Sige.
pwede sabihin. So, who inspired you to create, I mean, articles a day? Kasi we know that you create at least 7 articles a day with 300 words or more than 300 words. I mean, you know, mahirap maging writer lalo na kung hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo kasi iilan-ilang lang sa totoo lang ang writers natin. At the same time, I know that being a writer is a gifted talent from God. So,
Wow.
I think you are one of them. We bless God for that. And I think I don't have that.
Wow, you have.
Pero mas ano ka yung tinatawag ba, mas talented ka. Kasi article writer ka at the same time call center agent. So,
Okay.
what can you say about that?
Saan?
I mean, the question ko. I mean, my question, who inspired you to
Ayun.
write more articles?
Alright, so, of course it's my family. Yeah, it's my family because I'm doing everything I do is I dedicated with my family. I do it for them. You know, I want to help my family to trace above poverty. You know, if you know what I mean.
I know that. Any inspiration like girlfriend, fiancé, or anything? Do you have?
Girlfriend. I think that is next topic.
But,
But what?
I mean, hindi naman siguro iba kung itatanong natin during your college or high school, nagkaroon ka siguro ng mga girlfriends mo and one of them be your, be your
wife.
hindi naman be your wife, sila ang dahilan kung bakit ka nasusulat ng gusto.
Yeah, during my college days and even high school, I got a relationship, but past is past. And yun na, wala na.
Hindi ko alam, chick boy ka pala sa mukha mo niyan, Mr.
Yeah, that's ano.
Let's go. Next topic is that will be the telemarketing. So
Okay.
before at first you come in this company as an article writer, what is are you shocked when your boss assign you into telemarketing, be a call center agent, or this is your this is a new atmosphere for you, or what is it?
In fact, the position that that I applied here is to be a telemarketing agent, but I guess I'm not really qualified to be a telemarketer due to my poor English. And then, but Ma'am Ella hired me as an article writer, so I arrived for almost 3 weeks. Then all of a sudden they relieved me from being an article writer, then transferred to the telemarketing, and. Oh, I think it is a blessing from God because it enhanced me a lot. I learned a lot from being a telemarketer. I learned my English and I learned how to how to listen to people, how to talk to people, how to deal with a native speaker when it comes to English. And well, it is a really an awesome feelings. But you need to adjust something to fit with the job because from another job, shifted to another job is need a really big adjustment.
Yeah. Thank you for that. And meron pa akong nalaman talaga na isang sekreto. I mean, this is not a secret. Before,
Ano ba talaga?
before you are a DJ in Aklan. So, can you relate that to your what you are now, or that is a good experience being a DJ and connect? What is the connection of being a DJ to the article writing or call center agent? I mean, like Papa Jack.
Oo, Papa Chap.
O kaya tawag doon, Papa Dudut.
Yeah, I became a DJ before. I used to be a DJ at Hot FM 98.5 Calibo and
I think DJ Weng or
Papa Wayne, yeah, it's Papa,
Papa
Wayne.
Weng?
I'm saying Papa Wayne. It's Filipino word. It's Papa Wayne. Papa Wayne ang lungkot, and if you try to read it faster, Papa Wayne, something like that. So it's Papa Wayne. So it helps me a lot, and it enhances my skill when it comes to dealing with other people, to enhance your self-esteem, and what do you call this? I'm trying to find my English. Tawag dito, yung confidence sa sarili na
be
nagsasalita.
confident.
Ayun, confidence na sa sarili. At syempre malaking tulong kasi pag nasanay ka na magsalita sa radyo, it's ganun din pag telemarketing nagsasalita ka rin. Pero yun nga lang, may kausap ka dito, unlike sa radio that you assume that may kausap ka pero wala naman.
Really? So, can I ask you, pwede ba ako maging DJ?
Sure, yeah. You have all the guts to be next DJ.
Ba't parang sama ng tingin mo sa akin?
Hindi naman, kasi ang pagiging DJ naman ay hindi sa boses, hindi sa kung ano, physical appearance, but it's the guts. Kung gusto mo talaga na magiging DJ, syempre pag-aralan mo at syempre abutin mo kung yun, yung pangalan.
So, it means I have a talent.
Excuse me, I think there's somebody knocking the door.
Pwede pa cut? Cut mo.